Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rahul Pawar, and in today's video, we are going to talk about one very important topic for all the Tableau developers who are currently looking for opportunities in the market. So, guys, I was getting a lot of questions in LinkedIn and in private also. So, I thought of making this a very important video for all of this. So, first of all, I would like to say that please do not get panic, okay, because the number of calls have reduced a little and the process of interview is also happening little slow because this is a year end. November and December in general there will be very less number of openings, and if they are also getting scheduled it will be a slow process. So do not get panic that you are not getting calls, or no, your not interview is not being selected, or even if your interview is getting selected, your offer letter is not being released. So this is happening with many of our subscribers who are in a who are currently in a fix that their offer letter is not getting released, or interview is not happening. So do not worry guys, it is all market strategy. That is how it is. And just stay tuned, keep focusing on what you have learned till now, and keep learning at least one new thing every day. Maybe tomorrow or day after situations will improve and again everything will become normal. So but just this November and December, just focus on learning, forget what market is doing. Just do your job, wake up, log into the portal, apply jobs. If you're getting interview calls, attend it. If not, practice it. That's it. Keep these two things in the market. So apart from this, guys, I have done some recent analysis on the subscribers, on those who are contacting me and stating the problem that this is what is happening. So I want to bring you, few important things here that we all that it is important for us to understand. So guys, see here, like I said, we need to prepare very hard for next 2 months. Okay. Assume I'm targeting that, January is the month that I want to get my job. That's it. There is no other deadline after that. So for that, I'm preparing from now, like how we prepare for any government exams. I'm targeting January. So there are four phases of this, or four important pillars that we all need to master. One is analysis of the project. So this is one major concern that many of us have. They are keeping project name, we are keeping project responsibilities by copying from some resume here and there and adding it. Okay, we are keeping two projects, we are keeping three projects, we are keeping four projects. Remember, the number of projects you are adding, the number of times you are giving chance to interviewer to ask you more questions. Okay, so I'm not worried how many projects you add, but the number of projects you add, you should be very sure what you are writing in that. That is first very important part for your project thing, because these days a lot of stress is being given on this project thing, because this is one area where an interviewer can tell whether you have genuinely worked or not. That is why pay attention to this topic: project analysis of your project, what you are keeping, what you know, and what you have done. These three things. This is where your questions will revolve for 30 to 40 minutes. Next is strengthening your SQL knowledge. Okay, even today, I'm getting information that from Tableau perspective we are doing good. We are even cracking interviews, but when it comes to SQL, we are facing or we are struggling. See, in real time, guys, we not only deal with Tableau, but we also write SQL for debugging, for getting the data. So SQL is also very important. Now assume a situation where you got a very good opportunity, but that guy started with a SQL questioning. So in the first 5 to 10 minutes only, we will get rejected because we are not up to the mark in terms of SQL. Okay, so this is one area where I want you guys to focus and learn more, practice more. Third is mastering functions. Again, this is one major concern that I am observing in many of us who are attending interviews. If I ask you theoretical question, what is join, what is blending, what is filter, you will answer without any doubt. You will get full marks for that. But if I give you a laptop and ask you what is if null and how will you eliminate zero, or I ask you to get sales of category where it is technology, then many of us are struggling to write a basic functions. I want you guys to spend the time in mastering this knowledge called as functions. Trust me, guys, this will not only help you in Tableau, but it will help you with any skill that you will work in future. Okay, so that is why it is very important. So that is why I suggest start practicing coding. The more you practice, the better it is for you in real time. So to help you guys, I'm planning with releasing videos on the functions that are available in Tableau with detailed explanation of each and everything that is available. Please do a like or a comment on this if you are really looking forward to it, so that I know that okay, no, you are looking forward. And next is, these are the four pillars of cracking any interview. Okay, remember these points whenever you are going for interview. One is your self introduction. Okay, like I said, many are getting rejected at the first position only. Why? Because we tell what we have worked, what we know. You will get some cross questions on your self introduction or on your project where we are not able to answer, and that is mostly related to your project, like how many members are there in the team, what is the database you are using, what are the tables you are using, who will give you the requirement. If I ask you back to back 4 to 5 questions, many are becoming like, they are staying in the shock. Don't do like that. Be prepared, have answers for this. We have these videos covered in our channel. You can go and write, and save it in your notepad or wherever you want. It is definitely going to help you in your interviews. This is one very important thing. So like in cricket, first 5 overs are very important, right? Similarly here, your first 5 to 10 minutes of interview are very, very important. Do not give any chance to the interviewer that you lack any knowledge. At the end, that is a different story, but opening, you do it by smashing sixes. That is what I would suggest or encourage. Okay. If you need any help in self introduction, do reach out to me, or comment in the comment section what are you actually looking. I'll try to prepare one video on that so that it can help you. Next is, like I said, project explanation. Again, many are still lagging in this. So I have specially created many videos on how to explain your project. Please do, watch the video thoroughly. That is definitely going to add some advantage to you. Okay. Again, I'm stressing this is very, very important thing. First two are very important. Okay, so in first thing, your roles and responsibilities will come into picture. Second is where you will add your project related information. Two are hand in hand. The better you tell, the better are the chances. Third one is your Tableau and SQL knowledge. Like I said, don't limit your knowledge to only theoretical concept. Try implementing, try out new scenarios. The more you try, the better it is for you. Okay. Fourth is coding skills. Like I said, practice, practice, practice. That is what I'm telling. Practice and see. For again, like I said earlier, to help you guys, I'm coming up with coding sessions next, so that you practice more and you understand how each functions will work, so that in real time, whenever you are getting questions in interview, you can directly try to attempt that. Okay, so I think that's it from my side in this video. I hope this video has helped you. If it does, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.